Welcome to your Morning Minute. We are waking up with a weather alert day as we track a strong cold front. Now, our peak wind will be in the morning hours. We're going to see wind direction generally out of the west-southwest with gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. That's going to be common in our valley locations, so tree damage and power outage is a possibility. Behind the front, rain is going to change to snow, and we'll start to see lowering snow levels. Mountain passes like Lookout Lolo and Marias Pass could see 5 to 10 inches of snow throughout the day today and into your Thursday and Friday. Here's Jason Hurst with your latest headlines.
Thank you, Brooke. The Federal Trade Commission, 21 attorneys general, the District of Columbia, and the people of California, Illinois, and Michigan are suing Uber Technologies Incorporated for the company's alleged deceptive and unlawful subscription service, and the Salvation Army in Missoula with Major Rob, and the Angel Tree Program is helping children in the area. We've got that story on NBCMontana.com.